Hey guys, it's Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you a great method to add dynamics, space and life into big parts of your song. I'm also going to be doing this a little bit differently, as instead of recording my voice as I go, I'm going to narrate over the video instead, just to help keep things concise and accurate. So please do let me know what you think. This is a variation of using the white noise effect in your songs. White noise is great for filling out space as it's playing every frequency at an equal level. What this variation does is have two white noise effects fade in and out with each other. So here I have an example. This white noise on the bottom starts and is then fading out, whilst the other is fading in. When the other has finished fading in, it will then play its original and then fade out, whilst the other is then fading in and then repeats. So there's a constant fading in and out continuously. They are both the same sound, it's just playing it forward and then playing it in reverse. To actually make this white noise sound, I created this in Sylenth. I bounced it in place, duplicated it and then reversed one and then just back and forth it throughout. This helps to create more dynamics as it's not just a constant sound. Having said that, what I like to do is to put both of these into a stack and then sidechain them to the kick, again for those dynamics and to really help it breathe. This last part is optional, but you can also softly pan each of them left and right to help widen the sound and create some space, as the sound will then be alternating between left and right. And lastly, in context with the song. This is a very subtle method as it's mostly used to kind of fill some space and make things seem a bit larger, but it's a really effective method for doing that and it can give much more of an impact to the largest parts of your song. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact me via my website. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.